Okay, part 2 of the Mustang restoration. I promised a view of the engine. Here it is. It's a 302, I've been told. I'm not a big expert on North American cars, but it's all been rebuilt. It's got a full barrel Edelbrock tucked underneath there. You can just see it. It's got a slightly modified cam. That's all I really know. It's got the original radiator, and I think we persuaded the owner to go for a new modern aluminum radiator for this one, just because of the new block. Okay, let's see what we've done so far. So, we've got this rear quarter panel out. Just open the door here. And you look down the side. So you've got all this cleaned up. New panel is a bit dusty. It's on the floor, cut to size. Been wire brushing as much as we can into here, and we're going to paint this up with Paul 15 as well. So I have notched or joggled or flanged, or however you like to say it, and this is for the new panel to butt up against. I tend to do this. I don't like doing butt welds as such. So it's flanged, ready. Down here, I had to cut out a section, and we're going to put a new section in here. The inner arch, I've cut out up to here to put a new section in. I've yet to cut out a chunk of this out of here to bring it around, and I'm going to let in, I have a new wheel arch, which I can cut to put that in. Moving around the back, not very much around the back. I just decided to cut this out because the previous owner started cutting it out. It was annoying me. So that's going to come out tomorrow, probably. On the other side, the driver's side, I've also got the rear quarter panel out and flanged. You can see here. So again, this hasn't been cleaned yet. It hasn't been. We haven't had a chance to put a wire brush around. Got the spot welds out, all that up here, cleaned up. Again, I'm going to cut a chunk of this out to let in a new wheel arch. And I haven't done this on yet, but I'll also do it like the other side. I'm going to cut this across the top, let it in down here. This panel's not as bad as the other side, so we'll keep as is. I've got to get rid of this little bit here. I'll do that tomorrow. This side is a bit weird. Previous owners somewhere, there's a lot of filler in here. I'm going to make up a new piece to go around here and make up a steel piece. And also there's a hole in one piece here. Again, I can use the new wheel arches I got to make a new piece to go in there. So that's the progress on part 2. Part 3 will be following shortly. Continue to watch and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.